Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos on your YouTube. So if you are facing the problem in which you are using the low resolution video on YouTube and you are seeing this error, then how you guys can fix this issue. So in order to fix this, you have to just simply open up YouTube application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the YouTube application on mobile phone, you guys have to just simply open up your profile by just tapping on below your right corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile, you have to just simply go to the setting by just tapping on top right corner of settings. So in the settings icon, you have to just simply scroll down. So after successfully scrolling down, you will be able to see the option which is upload. So here you guys can see there is no any kind of an upload. You guys can just simply check out this option which is video quality and preferences. So in the video quality and preferences, you guys have to just simply make it higher quality picture. So you have to just simply make it higher quality here, and just scrolling down, you have to just simply go to the higher quality on below side. So after making it again the higher quality, what you have to just simply go back. So after that, you have to just simply go to the general in the first setting. So in the general, you have to just simply scroll down, and here you will be able to see the option which is uploads. So simply click on uploads and simply go to only on Wi-Fi or network according to your needs. Whenever you're done it specified the network, you guys can upload the higher quality videos with the help of YouTube. So that's all for today guys. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.